Jenny here, the Uncrafty Crafter. Welcome back to the channel. I have a little something sweet today. It's another KOTART. Look at this little hootie hoo. Hootie hoo. Hootie hoo. Nice. Excited about this one. Still got to figure out what to do with these tubes. Anybody got any ideas? Gonna open this up and BRB. Okay guys, I'm back. Got it opened up. Pop the top. Cute little topper, 2B topper. Still think I want to use those for my pencil holders. So I hope you guys are doing well today. It is a pretty kind of gloomy day today. Yes, gloomy day. Empty tube. Nothing in there. Let's see what we have. Put this out of the way. We've got some labels. Labels are always good. Love me some labels. USA. Ooh, it looks like a little postcard. How cool is that? It's a thank you card. Dear valued customer, thank you for your purchase. The item has been sent with care. Nice. Thank you, KOTART. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I was getting ready to say, where's the toolkit? I looked in here. It didn't fit in there or in there. Okay, let's see hither. We have 4 pins with some multi-placer tips, a set of silver tweezers, some baggies, a couple of green boats, and I'm sure there's wax in here. If there's no wax, I got plenty of wax, so I'm not really concerned about it, but, you know, is what it is. Pretty drills. This is a round drill kit. It's like canvas, shall we? Oh, goodness. How sweet. Look at it. It's so cute. Oh, my goodness. That's so cute. I love owls. I love owls. 16 by 20 inch. And let me look real quick on the tube. The tube says 16 by 20. Let's see if we can find a centimeter. Let's see. Here we go. 40 by 50. Yeah, 40 by 50 centimeter. Here we go. 40 by 50. Okay. It has 24 colors. Symbols are all letters and numbers. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Check out that owl. How cute is that? Hootie hoo. I'm going to do this and put it in my little girl's room. I just think it's adorable. So cute. Anyway, use your sticker, or not stickers, use your paper for your storage containers. It comes with the number of the drill on the kit, your symbols, your drill number, which is the DMC code, and then it gives you the quantity of how many that you have. That out of the way. Okay, first of all, before I show this off, I'm gonna do the 4-corner trick. Wow, that plastic goes all the way to the tippy top, or tippy tip. There we go. See how sticky? Yep, very sticky. Symbols look very clear. Looks like it printing kind of caught the tip top of another. That kind of helps flatten it out whenever you peel back the corners a little bit and then lay them back down. It just kind of lets the canvas relax some so it's not so tightly rolled up. The moon and stars look pretty. That's a sweet picture. I like it a lot. What's that? Okay, I think it's a wrinkle. I don't think it, I thought it was a hair, but I don't think it is. Okay, so, sweet little owl. How cute are you? How cute is that? Is he not cute? He's adorable. Let me turn him this way so you can see the whole thing. Oh, he's so cute. I love the bright colors. It's such a fun one. He's got big giant eyes. And he's got a flower on his head and flowers for his arms. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Sitting on a little tree branch. In the moon, under the moon and the stars. Here's the key code there on the top. One on the bottom. And taking a look at the drill field. It's very clear. The only issue I might find so far, I mean, just looking, is see the B and the 6. They're dark, both dark colors, like pretty similar colors. And that 6 could look like a B, you know. A lot of color blocks, which is nice. All the symbols look clear to me. Oh, sorry, I have another singer in the house. His eyes are super pretty. I want to see, did this one come with ABs? Can't remember. I'll have to look and see. Bright moon. As far as I can tell, though, like I said, the only thing that I might have a trouble with is that 6 and B. They seem to be pretty close together, like all over 6s and Bs. So I'll have to keep my eyes peeled for that. Or use a light pad, which I use a light pad most of the time anyway, because I don't want to strain my eyes too much. Okay, gonna pull the drills out so you can see those. Stick your fingers in your ears for a second till I get this open. If you don't like the sound, pop. Oh, give me a minute to find the... Oh, here we go. Open sesame. Open sesame. Okay. Oh, let's see here. 50 colors all in a row. Okay, ready for some up close and personal drill visuals. Okay, here we go. 823, 310. Wow, I have been hitting the luck of the draw lately with 310s, y'all. Like, look how many 310s is in that bag. Now watch, my luck. There's going to be another big bag towards the end of 310 or something. I doubt it, but you never know. 938, 921, 3830, 907, 435, 3799 is a pretty, looks like a dark metallic gray almost, like a dark gunmetal gray. 906, 402, 3607, 891, 312, 3340, 839. You know what? I'm just going to say this. Orange has never been a favorite color of mine, but for whatever reason, I get super excited when I see these pretty bright orange drills. They just make me happy. Okay, 839, 815, 307. Same with the yellow. It makes me happy. 307, 3325, 823, 797, 301, 996, 796. Are you kidding me? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? They saved me some more for the end. Y'all. Okay. Well, 995, 741. Look again, another 310. They saved me 2 more. I thought I was like home free. Guess not. Drills look good. Nice, round. I don't see any little boogery bits. Pretty blue. Look at all the purple and the yellow trying to hide out in there. Yeah, the drills look good. I mean, here and there you see a little bitty boogery bit, but I mean, you try being something that teeny tiny and pretty and not have a boogery bit on you. Right? Right. I'm not seeing no ABs though. That's okay. I was thinking maybe if there were ABs that it might be in Hootie Hoo's eyes, but yeah, I guess I could probably add some if I wanted to. So anyway, found this little bad boy on Amazon, and he's available on Prime, Amazon Prime. So if you're looking for a diamond painting that's super cute and you need one quick, right fast and in a hurry, then check out the description. I'll have the link to Amazon with this diamond painting below. As of today, it was available. So that seems to be changing pretty much daily as far as what's available and what's not. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you did like it, subscribe to the channel. I'd love that. We would love to have you. And oh, if you subscribe, make sure to hit the little notification ding 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 bell to get notified the next time I upload a video. All right, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and we will see you soon. Bye.